If you like this video, you can find the complete version on the FlexAbilities website. Website subscribers have access to over 100 videos and live lessons every single week. Start with your feet apart, slightly wider than shoulder width. Face one foot, then lean over the toe with a flat back and hold this stretch for 10 seconds. Make sure that both legs are straight the whole time. Stand back up and switch sides. Repeat this stretch one more time on each side. Moving on to a flat back reach into a standing pike position. Start off by leaning forward with a flat back and bringing your arms together. Then reach forward into a pike position and stand back up. We are going to repeat this 5 times. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, then hold your hands behind your back and lean forward with a flat back. From here, you are going to drop the chest all the way down and let the arms come over your head like this. Hold this position for 25 seconds. Stand back up and place your feet together. We are going to do a standing pike hold. Reach forward as far as you can and make sure that your legs are straight the entire time. Hold this position with me for 30 seconds. If you can, hold on to the ankles and continue pulling your head toward your legs. Moving on to standing single leg hamstring stretches. You can use a bench or chair for these hamstring stretches. Make sure that what you are using is not higher than the level of your hips. You can choose to stay at the same level for all 3 stretches, or work your way up each time. As you can see here, I like to use a pair of yoga blocks to elevate my leg. You can also use pillows if you do not have yoga blocks. Now we are going to do these stretches together. Place one foot up, then lean forward with a flat back and flex your foot. Hold this position with me for 10 seconds. Now switch legs. If you think you can push yourself further, move up to level 2. Otherwise, stay at the same spot. And switch legs. We are going to repeat this stretch once more on each leg, and I am going to add one more block. Once more, switch sides. Moving on to number 4 stretches. Cross one leg over the other with your ankle just above your kneecap. Then reach forward with both arms as far as you can. Hold this position with me for 10 seconds. Switch sides. Repeat one more time on each leg. Switch sides.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night
Moving on to the final stretch. For this one, you are going to need a stretch strap, but it can be done without for those who have more flexibility. Start off by folding the strap in half, then place it underneath one foot. From here, you are going to bend your knee and pull the knee toward your chest. Then slowly straighten the leg all the way and continue pulling your foot toward your nose. Then bend your knee and slowly straighten the leg once again. You are going to repeat this stretch 10 times on each leg. If you have more flexibility and would like to do this exercise without the strap, you can hold on to your foot directly, just like this. That's all for today's mini stretching tutorial. If you found this video helpful, you can find the full version on the FlexAbilities website, along with over 100 other full-length stretching routines.